Hi everyone, my name is Mayan and we will be making shakshuka today. What is shakshuka, do you ask? Shakshuka is an Israeli dish made with tomato sauce and eggs on top. These are the ingredients that we will use today, okay? We have eggs, tomato paste, bell pepper, tomatoes, garlic, onion, salt, pepper, paprika, and oregano. So, now that we know all of the ingredients, let's get started. Chop one onion up into squares. Cut the garlic into cubes. Chop the bell pepper into squares. Cut 2 tomatoes into squares. Now that we have all the ingredients chopped up, let's get cooking! I just put in the onion. We're mixing the onion and until it gets a golden color. After a little bit, we can put in the garlic as well. Woohoo! The onion and garlic have a golden color. Now it is time to put the bell pepper and we will mix it until it gets soft. So guys, the bell pepper is pretty soft. Now it is time to put in the tomatoes. Woohoo! Wow, hear that. So we will wait until the tomatoes will get soft now. Okay guys, now it's time to put the sauce. You can put as much or as little as you like. It depends the liking. If you really want to feel the tomatoes, don't put so much. But we will put in the sauce now. And also a little bit of water. And we're going to mix. And now it's really looking like a tomato sauce. Now it's time for the spices. 1 spoon of paprika. 1 spoon with oregano. Salt and pepper depending on you and how much you like it. Now mix it up. Okay guys, this is the most important part. The eggs. Okay, thank you Dania. Come up close. Okay, so what we are going to do now is we are going to make little holes, okay? I call them wells. Okay, like, hi, I'm very well. So, well. So I make a little well and then I put the egg in, okay? We're going to do it 2 more times. We're making 3 eggs. I make a little hole, a little well, and I put the egg in. 1 more time, a little hole, and voila, okay? Now, something very important here is that we are going to put now a low fire, okay? So a very, very, very small fire. And we are going to cover this, okay? And now we will wait about 7 minutes or even less for the eggs to be ready. Woohoo! How these eggs are looking. They're almost ready. I also like to add some cheese. Wow, so good. Wow. So guys, our shakshuka is ready to eat. I really recommend to have it with a little bit of salad. And I would recommend bread, but I didn't have any, so I will just eat it alone. And that's it. Thank you so much.